And now, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
All right, this cold frontal battery keeps pushing east. As a result, the precipitation we had even on the eastern shore earlier tonight is gone. When this front first came through, it did spark even some snow showers. Places like Carroll County, Manchester, Mount Airy, you did get that brief wintry mix early today, but now Maryland's most powerful radar crystal clear, and most of us picking up about 1/3 of an inch of cold rain today, that cold November rain. Dundalk today, here's a look at it. Gray, dreary conditions, absolutely just ugly November weather. That continues out there tonight. Still breezy, still quite a wind chill factor, and we are slightly concerned about a few icy spots on some of the areas of pavement that maybe are still a little bit damp. We're going to see temperatures dropping rapidly below freezing tonight. As a result, there could be a few icy spots. Watch out for those overnight into the pre-dawn hours. Baltimore, talking about 34 degrees right now at BWI. Humidity is relatively high, but the actual air dew point is dropping. So that means very dry air coming in. Another situation where you probably want to get the humidifiers going around the house. Current winds north and northwest, light, but still adding a bit of a wind chill factor. So even though our air temps are now just a few degrees above the freezing mark, we expect that wind chill to stay below freezing overnight. And if we begin to break up this cloud deck, which we should toward the early morning hours, temperatures will drop more rapidly. What's holding temperatures up just a little bit right now is that cloud deck, which is still fairly persistent here across Maryland, across the mid-Atlantic. We're relatively dry. You see what came through earlier today, earlier this afternoon. Decent round of snow. Central eastern Pennsylvania over through New Jersey, and again in our state there were some snow showers, but nothing that really stuck, with the exception of the high country in western Garrett County out toward Wisp. Not much new happening over the next 24 hours here, other than that line, that boundary continues to push out. Winds will let up, but the core of the cold air settling in tomorrow, and that's going to basically mean despite the sunshine, which will come back, despite that sun, we're still stuck in the mid-40s. It's going to be tough to get out of the mid-40s, and tomorrow night we're going to be right back down to 20s. You see that chill continuing to move in. Overnight we're in the 20s. We're struggling to the mid-40s tomorrow. Another frigid night tomorrow night in the upper 20s before we bounce back into the 40s. Not much break in the colder than average weather until we get into the end of the week, where I think things will moderate Friday, Saturday, and especially Sunday into Monday. We could be back close to 60 degrees for high temperatures. But again, clouds continuing to hold tonight. All spots across our state continuing to see a decent cloud deck that's holding up the temps just a little bit right now. Tonight, 29, clouds breaking up eventually. The faster they break up, the colder it'll get. We may be holding around 30 or so if they don't. Tomorrow, though, we do expect a mix of sun and clouds. They stay chilly. 45 your 2-degree guarantee tomorrow night. Upper 20s under a clear sky. Temperatures will drop tomorrow night. Next few days in the mid to upper 40s. We might push 50 on Friday, and then we're in the mid-50s Saturday, pushing 60 for Ravens game day Sunday. Right now, that looks like a pretty good tailgating forecast, just cloudy but dry. We hold the chance for showers off until Monday. Don't forget to get the weather right down to your zip code. Our ABC2 weather app will get it there for you. Current air temperature, Columbia 34. Places like Hunt Valley also looking at the 30s right now. Back to you guys.